Yo togendere gusanga mankeria teriane Evelyn Osero tokubwatirana nere Joshua Uta kwene kyawikere asensemo yebimanyererio ngoko ariganto ya chake korwase Kaunti ya Nyamira wase aba MCA korwase County Assembly ya Nyamira litkolia lero baba gutwale bikaro eryo gokwanera umuswada bwo kumurusia bisi umuwaziri w'ekibesa ase County Hiyo Emilio Nkaga nigo abakorengana aba MCA abo nigo abwatiraniwe n'amamocho au ayibatana no gutumeka bobe abisiaye Mosodo yo nigo igetiwe asebunge no muraibu abanke asebunge yo mindariye chimna tokumanywa no muri kitukorwa se County ya Nyamira job manki
Aba MCA emerongo 33 ase emerongo 35 kurwa se Kaunti ya Nyamira mbaetia umuswada wo kumurusia umuwaziri otenenerete enibo ase Kaunti ya Nyamira Emilio Nkaga asege ikaro kyara uno morogeri we Kaunti ya Nyamira Enoch Okero.
There's the motion for removal by impeachment of Miss Emilio Nkaga.
Omuswada oyu nigoreto no yotenerete abake ase bunge ya Nyamira oyokoro kwa mindariet.
Yes. The County Executive Committee member takes an arrest to herself, a few officers, and indeed to his the governor, thus leaving out a huge number of employees without payment of their legal and bona fide entitlements.
Gachama mocho abagakobekerwa nobo tumeki obobe bwabisi no korusya kibesa kiye county atabwati emeroberio.
Timelines. Key budget documents include the County Integrated Development Plan (CIDP) and the Annual Development Plan that should be submitted to the Assembly for approval by 1st September of each year of the year as provided in Section 126 of Public Finance Management Act 2012 to inform the budgetary allocation and its disbursement by the National Treasury in conjunction with the control of budget. Efforts have been made by the County Assembly to have the said document availed but in vain.
Aba MCA mbamugi kelia asokoirania magendero ye County ya Nyamira maega asengenche oboteneneri obobebwe wizara yenibo.
Nyamira, most of the staff to receive their pay in time, Mr. Speaker. CPA Emilio Nkaga must go. For the people of Nyamira, contractors, to be very precise, Mr. Speaker, to be
the constitutional mandate of legislation, oversight, and representation. Honorable Speaker, it is now
guardians, who are parents, who are sisters supporting their siblings, Mr. Speaker, who are subjected to psychological torture. They were crying all over.
Bono ekigatigaire no muspika korosia ekamati era chikomorekera amamocho ayo na kuirania aroboti ase bunge ase barachi korwa okonacha una nachigarobisi bose narusigwe.
Within 7 days, appoint a special committee comprising of a third of the members to investigate the matter. Pursuant to Standing Order 40, Section 3 of the County Government Act 2012, and shall, within 10 days, report to the Assembly.
Urwase County Nyamira, Ginko reporter ya Ndizi TV.